spelling may seem nonsensical, but it actually made a lot more sense back in Old Irish, when the word used to be pronounced arav. This is the same reason that the spelling of a lot of English words also seems nonsensical. Like the word night, for example, used to be pronounced knicht. But surely time can't be the only consideration. Like, are we supposed to believe that this word used to be pronounced befuil? No. To really understand Irish spelling, we have to talk about Latin. Latin has about 20 consonants, which is more than enough for Latin, but the Irish language has 33 consonant sounds. So how were the Irish supposed to write their language in the Latin script? They came up with a pretty clever solution. What if every single letter could make 2 different consonant sounds, depending on what types of vowels were next to it? Kind of like how the letter C can make the k sound before some vowels, but the s sound before others. So for example, the letter S can represent the s sound in front of some letters, but the sh sound in front of others. So essentially, you can get 2 different sounds per letter. This is why Irish has so many silent letters. Like this word, for example, is pronounced siu.